Today I'll walk you through how to create links to a notebook, section, page, paragraph, document, or email in Microsoft OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create these links so you can easily navigate your notes and share them with others. Let's begin by opening your OneNote app. Once you have it open, navigate to the page where you want to insert the link. This is similar to finding the right chapter in a book before you start taking notes. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, hover your mouse over the notebook section or page that you want to link to. Right-click on it, and you will see an option that says Copy Link to Notebook. This option is your gateway to creating a direct connection to that specific part of your notes. It's like having a shortcut to your favorite recipe in a cookbook. Once you've copied the link, you can paste it onto your preferred page. Just like that, you've created a direct reference to that notebook or section. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps will be similar. Now, if you want to link to a specific paragraph, highlight the paragraph you want to connect. Right-click on it again, and you will see the same option, Copy Link to Notebook. This allows you to create a link that takes you straight to that paragraph, making it easy to revisit important points without scrolling through pages of notes. To copy your link to documents or emails, right-click on your page, click the link option, and in the pop-up box, select the page you want to link to. This is akin to sending an invitation to a friend to join you at a specific location. It directs them right where they need to be. Once you've done this, a word that is hyperlinked will appear. You can then copy and paste this link into your Word document or email. This way you can share your notes with others effortlessly, just like sharing a favorite playlist with friends. In summary, creating links in Microsoft OneNote is a straightforward process that enhances your note-taking experience. You can link to notebooks, sections, pages, paragraphs, documents, or emails with just a few clicks. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.